Since I will have to carry everything for over 4,000 kilometers, I want my pack, without any food nor water, to be around 3.5 kilos. So quite light, but with a minimum for comfort and safety. Being new to backpacking, I just started with the gear list of a hiker on YouTube, who I've been following for a while and who I came to trust. And I compared this list with lots of other resources online, but also books about hiking and survival. Then I put everything into Excel. This way I could do as many changes as possible before buying anything. And after adding everything I would need, 4 pairs of socks, a bag liner, a camera, a towel, some shampoo, I ended up with a huge 5 kilos. 11 pounds, far away from a lightweight pack. I needed to be way more critical about what to bring. If I could carry only 3.5 kilos, then a frameless pack should be enough, and I could save some weight there as well. So I did a shakedown of my pack, remove everything that was not vital, and for the rest, find lighter versions. And I did so about 6 to 7 times, and every time getting my pack a bit lighter. In the end, I removed a sleeping liner, some camp shoes, sun umbrellas, a beanie, and a pair of socks. I swapped my camera for Osmo Pockets, the Garmin Explorer for the mini version. I would switch to a 1% tent, and those yellow cleaning clothes would be my towels. And this way I saved over 1,200 grams, so a bit over 44 ounces. Here's my full gear list, everything adding up to 3.6 kilos, so just below 8 pounds. The link to my gear list will be in the description below, and I will be updating this file on the trail as well. To save another 100 grams, I decided not to take the Osmo Pocket, but use my phone instead. Now it's time to buy everything. Once on the trail, I hope to get even lighter, get a bit closer to those 3.5 kilos.